This roundtable is focused on Toshiba's storage solution, mainly the hard disk. We have a complete portfolio of products from the entry-level hard disk to the enterprise hard disk. So we wanted to get the customer feedback on what do they think about storage, what is their storage strategy, and how do they see the storage in the future.
Seemed to be quite a good information gathering session for Toshiba as a manufacturer to hear back from the users of their products of what is required. What was really great was to hear that other users have got the same kind of issues as we do in the industry, but that Toshiba is listening. It always comes down to about hearing what's going on, not just basing your decisions and your development on some kind of analytical study that you did.
Storage, computing, all those issues for me has always been, once I've spoken to the business, they know what they want. IT sort us out with the infrastructure sort of thing. Yeah, sitting around with guys that really are in that space and observing how much effort and thought goes into it made me think again that it's actually a very critical part of the business.
When a customer contacts, they are looking for something specific, piece of information to resolve their query. The underlying technology is not really something we discuss, but it's so crucially important. And today's session was great. It highlighted that vendors and global OEMs are paying attention to what the requirements are. It highlighted that system integrators are very aware of the response times, the network bandwidth capabilities, what it is to make these things work. At the end of the day, it's to address a customer experience on the front end, at the front line, when organizations are dealing with their customers.
Toshiba being a well-known brand, getting into storage since 1968, coming up with various innovation products for various segments. Now, all these product innovations have been derived by voice of the customer. We need to understand what is the market requirement, what is market looking at, and basis that only we as a manufacturer or a brand can come out with innovative products.
Definitely, I'd love to be involved in more of these events because that's where business development starts to happen, where changes start to happen, where we can actually really move things forward.